As the amount of Americans suffering from the agony and losses from chronic diseases have increased, many complex treatments, medications, and therapies have become available to treat patients with these conditions. While these solutions are effective in sustaining lives, many of them do not have the ability to actually cure patients. Being that chronic diseases affect 40% of the American population, this ongoing tragedy has affected approximately 133 million people, and the underlying question still remains: what is the cause for chronic diseases? Extensive research has been dedicated towards exploring the main cause of these diseases and how a change should be made in order to prevent them. 63% of the standard American diet consists of processed foods, which are foods that are produced mechanically or foods that undergo chemical operations in order to change or preserve it. These are known as processed meats, sugars, dietary fats, processed snacks, beverages, desserts, and refined carbohydrates. This diet is detrimental to our health, as research has shown that high consumption of sodium, refined carbohydrates, fatty meats, and added fats is found to be associated with heart disease, diabetes, certain cancers, and obesity. According to What We Eat in America and the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, Americans consume on average 120 grams of processed sugars daily. High intake of processed sugar is correlated with heart disease, diabetes, and also colon, rectal, breast, ovarian, prostate, kidney, nervous system, and testicular cancers. This research stresses the importance of maintaining a healthy diet composed of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, seafood, and low consumption of red meats and dairy products. But there's still hope. Profound research done in the Mediterranean diet suggests that these foods are not only capable of preventing diseases, but could also assist people who already suffer from a chronic disease and could help improve their condition. A change is needed, and although it is hard to believe that this change can be fully carried out, spreading awareness is something that can be done in hopes that people will get the chance to learn about this ongoing tragedy and learn how to make healthier choices. With the immense increase of social media use, influencers, and bloggers today, one way to spread awareness and promote healthy eating is through an Instagram page. So I spent this year researching and practicing food styling, food photography, and photo editing in order to capture appealing images of meals. The main takeaway from this research was that the food presentation should be clean and simple. The author of The Food Stylist Handbook, Denise Vivaldo, indicates that beautiful realism is a look that is popular today. So while creating my products, I strive for a realistic look while also being captivating at the same time. Time was spent with Miss Helen Kendall from Goldsmiths, University of London and University of Chicago, learning and practicing how to use the manual settings on a camera. This Instagram account at Healthy Meal Support contains these healthy meals along with the ingredients and instructions on how to make them. Also incorporated are infographics reposted from other healthy food bloggers for information and tips. Lastly, it contains graphs displaying the increase of chronic diseases in America. This Instagram account serves as an outlet of information for people, and optimistically, it will spread awareness from one community to another, reaching many. Food can destroy the world, but it can also heal it.